Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says let vector v equals this, vector w equals this, and u is a unit vector. And the maximum value of scalar triple product of this thing is. Now, you guys are aware of this idea that if we talk about STP, we go with the determinant method. Okay, but in determinant method we used to have all the vectors, vector u, vector v, vector w. We have v and w, but we don't know anything about u, so we should go with the orthodox idea, that is u cross v dot w. So either we will go with this or we will go with u dot v cross w, and we will give priority to the cross. Now, do you think you guys can solve this component? No. We know magnitude of u, that is 1. We know magnitude of v, that is 4 plus 1 plus 1, that 2 under root. But we don't know the angle between u and v. Now, do you think you guys can find out v cross w? Yes. We have vector v, we have vector w, and if we will go with the determinant idea, we guys can solve this one. Correct? Now look at this. Suppose that we are interested in finding v cross w. So that is I, j, k. Now it is 2, 1, minus 1, 1, 0, 3. So we got our things. Now let's open this determinant. So I equals 3 minus 0, then j, so it is 6 plus 1, then k is minus 1. Now I can write down 3i minus 7j minus k. So we got our v cross w. Now can we write this dot 3i minus 7j minus k? Now, so we are interested in finding maximum value. So can I write magnitude of u, magnitude of this thing, 9 plus 49 plus 1, and then cos theta, the angle between these two vectors. You know that the mod u is what? 1. This is 59, root 59. Now, you want maximum value, so don't you think that it depends upon cos theta? And the maximum value of cos theta is 1. So, STP maximum will be what? Root over 59. Okay, I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So, see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.